Welcome back. In Lesson 1, we learned what a broker does. In Lesson 2, we learned how broker clusters and Zookeeper keep everything running. Today, we answer the next question: where exactly does data live inside Kafka? The answer is topics. Let's dive in. A broker receives and stores messages, but it does not dump everything into one big pile. It organizes messages into categories called topics. Think of a topic like a folder on your computer. You might have a folder called orders, another called payments, another called notifications. Each message goes into one specific folder. Messages in different topics never mix. Every message has 4 parts. First, a timestamp recording exactly when the message was created or arrived. Second, an offset number, which is the unique position of this message inside the topic. Third, a key, which is optional. We will explain this in a future lesson. And fourth, a value, which is the actual data stored as bytes. Every message has 4 parts. First, a timestamp recording exactly when the message was created or arrived. Second, an offset number, which is the unique position of this message inside the topic. Third, a key, which is optional. We will explain this in a future lesson. And fourth, a value, which is the actual data stored as bytes. The offset is simply the position number of each message, starting from 0. First message gets offset 0, second gets offset 1, and so on. New messages are always added at the end. You cannot insert a message in the middle between offset 3 and 4, for example. Think of it like a queue at a shop. New people always join at the back. Nobody jumps in the middle. Here is a very important rule. Once a message is stored in a topic, it cannot be changed. Ever, you cannot edit it, delete it, or update it. Kafka is a reliable record of everything that happened. Changing the past would break that reliability. If you need to correct something, simply send a new message with the corrected data. It gets the next offset at the end. Messages do not live in Kafka forever. Every topic has a retention period, the maximum time Kafka keeps a message before deleting it automatically. The default is 7 days. After 7 days, the message is gone. This is by design. Kafka is a messaging pipeline, not a permanent database. You can configure this per topic. Some systems keep messages for 1 hour, others for 30 days. That is a wrap on Lesson 3. A topic is a named category inside a broker like a folder. Topics spread across brokers for fault tolerance. Every message has 4 parts: timestamp, offset, key, and value. Offset is the position number starting from 0, always added at the end. Messages are immutable and have a retention period of 7 days by default. In the next lesson, we cover partitions. See you at the next lesson.